Hi guys, today's your topic about the transformation of sentences. Transformation means to convert the simple sentences with other simple sentences. Further example, transformation means we change the sentences one form to other form without the changing the rule. Here we read about yesterday time two type main sentences, combined and complex sentences. First, what is combined sentences? Combined sentences is which sentences are the combination of two simple sentences is called that combined sentences. Combined sentences is a group of two simple sentences. When two simple sentences meet with each other, then make the combined sentences. Now next topic is complex sentences. Complex sentence is a group of the multiple simple sentences. When a multiple simple sentences meet with each other and make the complete sense with a short sentence, then make the complex sentences. Students, now we telling about the some rules of the transformations. First, changing of adverb to. TOO. To means to is the indication of the two jointing sentences, conjunction to, and adverbial jointing and if, but, so, for, that, it is a. It is the must be important to connected one, two, or multiple sentences of content. Further example, the lesson is no different. The lesson is no different that one cannot be understand it. Complex sentences, the lesson is no difficult but cannot understand it. Next, simple sentence with conversion. These sentences, the lesson is too different, too different to understand. Here is two sentences in complex sentences. The lesson is so different. First sentence is the lesson is so different. First sentence, lesson is so difficult, cannot understand. Cannot is second sentences, cannot understand to anyone. It's mean lesson cannot by understand any persons. Then we change in the simple sentence. The lesson is too, TOO, the lesson is too difficult for understand. Here is to and for, two conjunction join the two sentences and make the single sentence. Now example for the second complex sentence. The cut is so heavy that I cannot lift it. The cut is so heavy, so we can't have it. It is complex sentence. Now convert in the simple sentence. The cut is too heavy for me to lift. The cut is too heavy for me to lift it. Okay, here is two conjunctions meet with the both sentences as to and for me. Okay, to and for here use two sentences. Students, now we telling about some important rule for the transformation sentences. Use of direct to indirect in this chapter and use of active to passive voice. Active to passive voice means we change in two types voice. Active voice when we telling about the activate conditions, directly form is called the active voice. When subject do any work, then make the active voice. And passive voice when any work done for the subject, then is called the passive voice. Students, here is most important rule for the active to passive voice in transformation sentences. Students, first we can understand about the active to passive sentences. There are three main important rules. First, use of main verb of third form with all the type sentences to change active to passive voice, and use of by before the any object. Here object is first, then subject at last, after by is made by a sentence active to passive voice. Word combination is the active to passive voice. Change to passive voice conditions. First, object plus main verb plus by plus subject. Here is using the third form of main verb with all sentences. Students, be careful. Use in continuous tense, present, past and future continuous be. Then same as conditions. Now student, we hope to all students can you able to understand this channel. If you query and any type requirement for the study materials or gain the best study, then you can comment it and discuss with us by comment, and we will give you answer. Students, thanks for visit us. Thank you so much.